Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Cerushield disc on a Phonak M90. If you see, you've got a packet of Cerushield discs. Open them up. Okay. There's also some instructions inside. You've got the instructions there on how to remove your Cerushield discs on your receiver in the canal Phonak M series hearing aid. If you have a look at the hearing aid itself, you've got red for right, you've got the dome itself. This is a power dome. What you want to do first is try to give your hearing aid a clean. I usually use some wipes, antiviral, antiseptic wipes. Okay, and then if you have gloves, use gloves. If not, it's okay. Then you just want to pull off the old dome. So that's the old dome removed there, you can see it. Okay. Then you want to have a look at your device, which is there. Okay, and you want to turn it after you've placed your receiver into the hole, which is there. So that's your way you remove it. Okay, so you place it in there, remove that. So that's the old one now removed. So you can see there's an open hole. Once it focuses, then you put it in position number 2, and you put it together, and now you've got a fresh dome. So that stops any wax from getting in there. Make sure you turn it again to get rid of, and then into position again, so you're ready for the second one, or the left hearing aid, assuming you have 2 hearing aids. Once you've done that, you want to replace your dome. So I've got some spare domes here. You take the end and you try and put that in there. Make sure it's nice and flat. So now you've got an open dome with a red for right hearing aid. And there you go. That's it. Then give it a clean at the end if you want. Make sure your microphone's ports are clean. That's fine. In another video we'll show you how to change the receiver itself if you need to get it changed.